Hello and welcome back to another video of Flectra. So today we are going to see about how we can build an education website using the Flectra. And first we'll start with the products. So we are having multiple products, like we have the books and also the some of the stationery items and all that. So for that we'll start with the products, and let's add the products and see how we can add the product using the Flectra. So for that we'll go to the website, and over here we'll go to the products and click on products. So as of now we are not having any products added over here. So to add the products, we'll just create another one. And now, say for example, I'm having a book, okay, that's name would be Fire and Blood. Okay, so that is my book's title, and I can add the book. This is my name of the product, and then I'll add the image of the product. So I'll add the image. So this is my image. This product can be sold and can be purchased. Product type would be a storybook product, and sales price I'll just add $15. If I'm having any tax, then I can add the taxes over here, or I can add the product category, in which category I just want to define this product. So you can select add the category according to that. Internal reference, barcode, and internal notes, you can add it over here. Then the variants, if you are having multiple variants of the products, different values of the product, then you can add the variants also. And sales, then e-commerce. So using e-commerce tab, if you are having multiple websites, then you can select the website and go with that website. And categories, you can add the alternative products and accessory products. If you are having multiple images, then using extra product media, you can add the images, and then the purchase, and then the inventory. Now after that, if you just want to add the quantity, so we can add the quantity. You can update the quantity. The quantity on hand would be 10, and just apply the quantity and then save. So we have added all the info. Now we'll just go to the front store and see our product. Let's refresh the page. So this our product is being added right now. As we can see, there is an unpublished stage, so we'll just make it publish. So this is our product, this is the name, this is the image, and using this I can add the quantity and add it to the cart. So this is how easily we can add the product in Flectra. So after that, we'll see how we can add the promotions, coupons, and also we'll see how we can add the payment methods and shipping methods in our store. So for that, we'll start with first with promotions, how we can add the promotions in our products and how we can use that. So for that, go to the website, and in product section there is the promotion programs. So we have added some promotions over here. So let's just open first. That is the code for 10% orders. Let me click on edit. So that is our title for the promotion. So over here we'll apply 10% discount on the order, on the total order. And here we'll find some conditions that we can be apply the condition on based on the customers, on based of the products. Here is the quantity. We can select the quantity and how much quantity we just want to offer that discount. Then there is a minimum purchase of amount, that what is the minimum purchase of the amount, and we can use as in tax included or in tax excluded. Then promo code usage, that will be automatically applied, or you just want your customer to apply a code. So here we have selected user code, and there is the promotion code. Now here we can write the promotion code, that what will be your code that your customer will write, and then they can use that discount offer. So here we have added code as in max 10. So that will be our code. After that, we can select the validity. First is the website, that in which website, if you're using multi-website, then in which website that you want to use. Then apply on first, that whether you just want to apply on the first order or you just want to want an infinite use. Then we can add the date, what will be the start date and what will be the end date. So this is our start date and that will be our end date. Now after that, there is the rewards. Now first is the applicability, so that is apply on the current order. Then the reward, we just want to give a reward as in discount or a free product or in free shipping. So here we have selected the discount. Now after that, what will be the amount? We just want to give as in percentage wise or in fixed amount. So you can go with the percentage wise or you can add the amount. So here we have added the percentage and that is the 10%. Now discount apply on the whole order, on cheapest product or on specific products. So if you are you have added any specific products and only on that product you just want to apply the discount, so that is, for that we just need to select the on specific products. Now here we have selected the on total order. Also you can limit on basis of the maximum discount amount, set that, so you can set as in maximum amount, so that will be your max amount. Above that will be no discount. So we have added the conditions. Now let's just save this one. Okay, and go to our front store and check this one. So our promo code is max10. So this is our front store. Let me go to the product and I'm adding this product. I'll go to the checkout and here is the option of I have a promo code. Now here I can write a promo code that is max10 and then I'll just click on apply. So as I just click on apply, so as you can see, there is the return, the 10% discount on total amount. So discount has been calculated and my final amount will be $13.50. So that is how easily we can use this promotions and coupons program. Now let's just go to the backend and here will be the coupon program. Okay, so that's that would be the same, but here you will find some less options if you just compare to the promotion program. If you are just using on a small scale, and you can use this coupon program over here. Now after that, to add the payment acquires and the shipping methods, we just need to go in configuration. So here is the option of payment acquires. So as you can see, these are the default payment gateways that Flectra will offer to you. So anyone, if you just want to use, so for example it's a people, so what you need to do, you just need to install it and just add your credentials over here and started using it. That's it. So currently we have enabled the wire transfer over here. So that is the payment acquires, and now if you just want to use any third-party payment gateway apart from that, that is also you can use. So you just need to create and develop that one. Now after that, there is the shipping method. Now what will be the shipping prices if you just want to provide a free shipping or you have any normal delivery charges, so that you can set up from here. So if you are providing the free delivery, then you can add the shipping gateway as in free delivery charges, and then you can set the pricing according to that. Now if you are charging any normal delivery charges, then as we can see, there is the normal delivery charges. Provider would be as a fixed price. We can select the delivery products. Now here also we have provided the option of free if order amount is above. Now we can set the amounts. If for example, if I just on $100, so that would be free if my order amount is above $100. So that is the functionality that Flectra will be providing, and that is the pricing. So currently the fixed price is $10. we can set the destination availability and also the description. So from here we cancel this one. From the shipping methods we can establish shipping methods.